Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Infoanil. So in this video, we are going to see how we can install the latest version of the Sublime text editor in our Windows operating system. So as we all know that Sublime text editor is a very powerful text editor for the Python programmers and for the web developers also. So let's know how we can install this and make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe this channel. The first step that you should do, open your Chrome browser, and in Chrome browser on the Google search the text Sublime text editor. You have to search this, then press enter. This is the official website of the Sublime text editor. So just open this website. So when you click on the website, this is the web page that you will see in front of you, and here the latest version is the text 4. And when we goes down, we see there are advantages, there are what's new. So these are the new features that is in the Sublime text editor 4 updated Python API. So no doubt that this is the best and powerful editor for the Python programmers also. So click on the download for the Windows button. So when you click on this, your download process will start at the below here. So it's just an 18.1 MB, not that much big file. So just wait till it's downloaded. So guys, as you can see, this is the setup of the Sublime text editor that we have downloaded from the official website. Just double click on this setup. This is the prompt that you will get. So in this prompt, it is asking for the directory where you want to install this Sublime text editor. So I will let it be like this. So just click on the next button, and this is the select the additional task that you would like setup to perform while installing Sublime text. So I will check this box and click on the next button. So these are the two permissions that we have give, and after that just click on the install button and the installation process will start, and it is so fast. Okay, so this has been downloaded and we are now going to finish this task. So the installation part has been done. So just on your search box, search the Sublime and you will have the installed software in your system. So just open this. Okay guys, so this is the Sublime text editor that we have installed now, and here the type of files that we have, and selection, find, view, go to, tools, project, preference, helps. So these are lots of options. I will cover all these options in my next video, and also I will cover the topic like how we can execute the Python code in this Sublime text editor. So that's all for this video. So please make sure to subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.